Hey everyone, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield, and you may think I have the camera low, but for this 30-second Thursday, it's not. Sometimes you come across something in the road that's unavoidable, whether it's the ladder that fell off the construction truck in front of you, maybe it's roadkill, or maybe it's something smaller like a smart car. Either way, Kenworth knew that accidents are inevitable. So they made the bumper split in the center here. That way it's a two-piece replaceable bumper. If you hit something on this side, you only have to replace that side, not the whole thing. Now, some people go with a three-piece bumper, but they found that in a three-piece bumper, you usually have to replace two sections. So, a smaller section to replace means less money for you and less downtime. Just another way that Kenworth is the world's best. To stay up to date on all the 30-second Thursdays, make sure that you're subscribed, and if you like this one, hit the thumbs up below, please. If there's something that you'd like to see in a 30-second Thursday, make sure that you put that in the comments too. We will see you soon, and keep it rubber side down.